The spice is definitely there. It smells good. It's supposed to be a sweet chili sauce. And they also gave some other sauces in this bag. Oh, sweet heat sauce. Oh, I hope I don't die today. Jesus, take the wheel and prevent my stomach from doing any backflips.
Tell me how much you need me. Make my world go round. Ain't no competition. No one can compare.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and this one is trying the Voodoo chicken. I know you can't really see it, but let me see. There we go. Got the little sauce up there. Let's get us a thumbnail. Well, yeah, so let's try and see what the hype is all about. Got some fries. I don't really care for fries, but it was when y'all see this video, y'all gonna be like, really? Trust me. When y'all see my other videos that I'm gonna post, y'all gonna be like, girl, let's try this chicken. Because that's what this video is all about. Oh, my bad. I didn't even say grace. I didn't even say my intro. What in the world? Oh, my God. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm back with another food review. And this is trying the Voodoo chicken. So, guys, before you do anything, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. That way you be notified when I post, of course, right? It's only right? So, we're trying this Voodoo chicken. It has some spice and season up here, and we gonna try it and see how it tastes. I want the first bite. Look at that. The spice is definitely there. It smells good. It's supposed to be a sweet chili sauce, and they also gave some other sauces in this bag. Oh, sweet heat sauce. Oh, I hope I don't die today. Jesus, take the wheel and prevent my stomach from doing any backflips. Whoa. Sweet heat. They ain't lying, but I don't know if I want to try this. I'm probably have a heartburn, acid reflux, all of that bad stuff at one. Just for trying this daggone chicken. But, you know, I ain't no wimp and I don't back down from challenges. So we gonna get on into the challenge. Well, it's not really a challenge. It's like a full review. But, yeah. Y'all want this first bite? It looks so good, don't it? Let me see how it really tastes. It's good. You can definitely taste it. Yeah, look at me spitting. Like, well, I can't talk. Taste the sweet heat. It's good. It's not something I would buy every day. But it's good. It's not hot, but it's still good. That crunch though is real. The fries, I don't really care for. I'll probably get those away. We don't want to get no sauce on them. So the chicken will just fry it out. And then, whatever I don't finish, I'll give away. So, we don't waste food over here. There's a lot of chicken. But, it definitely packs a punch. For a person that eats french fries, you know, I eat all the french fries. But, you know, they really put that sauce on everything. I'm going to give this to my nieces and nephew and see if they want to try this chicken. But, it's okay. It's not, the sauce is good with these fries, though. It's not something I really want to eat every day, but it's definitely good. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 pieces of chicken left. This is supposed to be 3 pieces. They gave me 6. Can't get mad about free chicken. But, you know what? That's good. So, we're just going to end this video here. Because we're about to edit and put this video out. So, yeah. Alright. Now I'm gonna get this food away. Cause I'm not done eating it. But there's a problem. Let me get one more fry. Being greedy, right? Hey, I paid for it. Alright guys, so we're going to end this video here. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post. Until next time, we out here. Peace.